This is 57th Street, 6th Avenue. This is 47th, 50th Streets, Rockefeller Center. Transfer is available to the F train. This is 42nd Street, Bryant Park. Transfer is available to the 7 and F trains. This is 34th Street, Herald Square. Transfer is available to the D, F, and N trains. Connection is available to PATH. This is 23rd Street. This is 14th Street. This is West 4th Street. Transfer is available to the A, E, and F trains. This is Broadway-Lafayette Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 6, and F trains. This is Grand Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.